Okay, mix, guys.
Chocolate. Yeah. I need to scrape the sides.
You scrape down, though. Scrape down, Locke. I'm not scraping up. Scrape down like this. Right?
Woo! Let me just test it out. Okay?
No. Do you want to get it all mixed first?
Mommy, my test out. Is it okay for Lennox? Mommy.
Daddy's filming you.
Is it okay to just test it out? I'm going to test it out.
Lennox, you get it in your hair.
Mama!
How's it taste?
It doesn't taste great for Lennox. It tastes a little bit like salt. It tastes a little bit like salt, Mummy.
Just a little bit like salt.
Yeah.
Okay, well, how about let me see what it's like when it's scraped. Okay, can you put it in the here now? Wait. We're going to scrape it like this?
Yeah. Put it in here.
That's right.
Mama.
There, that. Okay, I'm going to show you a trick, Lachlan. We're going to go like this, okay?
Mama.
Oh, Lennox, come on.
Oh, mess. Poo. Poo-wee. Poo-wee. We're making a cake.
Making brownies.
Why would we make a cake?
Okay, wait.
Chocolate. Yummy cake. Ooh.
Did you want marshmallows on this or no?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, Lennox. Oh,
Put the
Jesus.
marshmallows. My lips are full.
Wait, we're going to get some more out of there, please, Lachlan. Lennox! Don't put that back in there, please.
Lennox has got more dirt in there. Mama. Happy birthday, Daddy! Daddy.
It's not my birthday.
Are you gonna have another birthday, Daddy?
Eventually.
What? What, Daddy? To my Daddy. I'm gonna put the marshmallow on my tail. That's enough. It's a little bit more. That's enough, Mommy. Mommy, that's
So
enough.
you want some more on the thing so they all have a little bit. Whoa.
I can eat this.
Okay, there you go. Is that good?
I'm gonna have some more.
Okay, good. Can we put it in the oven?
Let's hope we were ready with it.
I think it's ready now. So for 20 minutes, okay? So when the big hand is at the 6 o'clock, and we'll check it, okay?
We're gonna check it today.
Yeah. 20 minutes. How does it taste, Lennox? Is it good?
Good. I'm gonna dip it in chocolate sauce.
Is it yummy?
Mommy, I might dip it in chocolate
Can I
sauce.
have some? Lovely.
Good. No.
Thank you.
I'm gonna wash my hands.
Lachlan, do you want to take this?